Hello and welcome to our channel Recipes by Blue Mark. In our first video, we are making vegetable patties or cutlets. You can put any vegetable of your choice. Chop them to add in the recipe. Saute onion and capsicum in 1 teaspoon of oil. For 1 portion of snack mix, add 2 portions of vegetables. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Steam vegetables like peas, corn, carrot, cauliflower, French beans, etc. Add 1 sachet of Blue Mark snack mix to the mixture of vegetables and mix it well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. No need to add any extra spices as necessary spices are already added to Blue Mark snack mix. Add chopped coriander, you can use little bit of water to form a uniform mixture. Make small and flat cutlets. Coat them using dry suji or bread crumbs or rice flour from both the sides. Apply oil to a non-stick pan and put it on high flame to roast the cutlets. Apply oil on the upper surface of the cutlets and turn them upside down to roast the other side. Put the lid over it and roast for 2-3 minutes. Serve the hot cutlets with sauce and green chutney. A perfect healthy alternative to satisfy our mid-meal hunger. You can also have this cutlet as a burger patty or in a sandwich.